All right, let's look at some practice problems. Comes to solutions. So 3 moles of NaC are dissolved in 1 liter of H2O. What is the molarity? This one I actually have typed out. So we'll just look at that. So get your solute and your solvent. Your solute is NaCl. Solvent is just water, H2O. So how do you find the molarity? You just use the equation we just talked about, moles over volume. So really simple here. Moles on top, that's 3 moles. In this case, it's NaCl. Liters on the bottom, that's just H2O. 1 liter of H2O on the bottom, so it's just 3 divided by 1. That's a 3.0 molarity or M solution. Oftentimes you'll hear it pronounced 3 molar solution. Really easy. All right, next one. When 2 moles of NaCl are dissolved in 100 milliliters of H2O, what is the molarity? So again, just think of the equation here. Moles over volume, or moles over liters. So we got 2 moles. This time we got 100 milliliters. You want to leave it in liters. So if you have milliliters, convert it to liters. All right, our volume is 100 milliliters. To convert it to liters, you divide that by 1,000. So 100 divided by 1,000. I'm doing dimensional analysis here. So 100 times 1 liter divided by 1,000 milliliters. This cancels out. The way I set up here cancels out the milliliters, and our answer has liters. So we now have our volume. We know our moles. It's given in the problem. So once you do the conversion, really easy problem. 2 divided by 0.1 to 20 molar solution of NaCl. Next. 0.50 moles of NaCl are dissolved in 50 milliliters of H2O. What is the molarity? So think a lot of times in these problems, I like to think of what's given and what's unknown. Like, what are they asking for? They're asking for what the molarity is here, and they gave me the moles and the milliliters. So just like the last problem, I have what I need, but I have to convert one of them. So I got the moles. I don't know the molarity. I got the milliliters, but I need that in liters. So keep in mind, 50 milliliters is just 0.05 liters. So setting that up, just in case you want to see the dimensional analysis of that, we want to convert to liters. So 50 divided by 1,000 cancels out milliliters. 50 divided by 1,000, you'll get 0.05 liters. Now we have the numbers we need, just 0.5 divided by 0.05. That gives you a 10 molar solution, or 10M solution. Take note that we're using a capital M here. You're going to see other options later. You'll see other things later. So just take note that here we're using 10 capital M. That's molarity. You'll see why that's important later.